Enterprises mainly face four core challenges: hallucination, lack of explainability, integration friction, and customization ability. While there are plenty of GenAI tools in today's market, most of the tools are not enterprise ready. They often fail at grounding outputs in verified sources, struggle to connect with legacy IT stacks, and cannot meet the governance and compliance needs of the enterprises. Also, off-the-shelf GenAI solutions often don't fit the nuanced workflows of the enterprise environments. You need configurable logics, industry-specific prompt tuning, and deep integration into legacy system as part of your implementation. Enterprises need more than LLM access. They need a trustworthy, adaptable GenAI foundation that can embed seamlessly within their current systems and workflows. NeIO is Codvo's homegrown agentic platform for enterprise GenAI adoption. It's cloud-agnostic, open-source tech stack-driven, and focused on Prebuilt accelerator framework to drive quicker implementation and faster time to value. What sets NeIO apart is that it just does not give you a virtual assistant and agentic RAG-based complex query retrieval from your enterprise knowledge space. At the core, it provides an inbuilt agentic framework and enterprise-grade monitoring and contextual alert capabilities. Our positioning for NeIO is clear. It combines platform flexibility with enterprise reliability, giving businesses both control and speed. It's not just about building AI, it's about deploying value-driven solution fast with agentic thoughts at the core. NeIO is built on three core layers: Space, a centralized knowledge repository that unifies your structured and unstructured data of your enterprise through a number of pre-built data connectors, with a conversational interface for contextual, natural language-driven information retrieval. Second is Agent. NeIO Agent is the agentic automation layer that orchestrates workflows using micro-agentic blocks on top of the knowledge space or through MCP connectors for your enterprise tools and services. And the third component is Pulse. It's a real-time monitoring and alert system for monitoring important metrics, KPIs, and events for your business, and detection of any breach and anomaly or smart notification with embedded context for faster insights and resolution for your enterprise. So together they create a closed loop of enterprise AI fabric from data ingestion to intelligent actions. Explainability is central to NeIO. NeIO addresses explainability and transparency at multiple levels. First, it provides source citations and document references for every AI response so a user knows what exactly is coming and from where it is coming. Second is we have built an automated response validation engine that evaluates the generated output accurately and with a confidence score. If a response fails or falls below a particular confidence threshold, the system flags it for the human intervention. That makes NeIO both transparent and self-aware, two things enterprise absolutely need for trust-based AI implementation. Every enterprise is different, and every enterprise GenAI use cases we encounter has some nuances, and almost all of them needs a layer of custom adaptation. NeIO is designed to be modular, extensible, and tech stack agnostic, but we go beyond that. Codvo being a digital product engineering company at its core, we don't stop at the platform, we help building that additional customization layer on top of the product platform. Whether it's integrating the client-specific systems, their tool sets, designing custom micro-agents or agentic frameworks, domain-specific prompt tuning, we tailor NeIO for real-world client use cases and their needs. That's how we ensure it works for clientele across industries, verticals such as mortgage, insurance, retail, or industrial operation, because we build the bridge, not just deliver the box. Agentic is not just a hype, it's the natural evolution in global technology landscape after generative AI. Generative AI can produce content and answers, but agentic AI can actually plan and act like an actual human brain. Think of GenAI as giving you the super smart assistant, while agentic AI gives you the digital coworker who can plan, decide, and execute tasks independently. The buzz is because every enterprise now want more than just conversation, they want outcomes. An agentic system like what we are building in NeIO are about multi-stage planning to act, chaining of micro-agentic skills, reasoning over goals, and integrating with enterprise tools and systems to get work done, not just talk about that. We see AI agents becoming embedded across departments, handling repetitive tasks, coordinating across tools, and even making micro decisions. For example, in customer support, the agents can route tickets, summarize conversation, trigger downstream workflows, and even draft responses. We are doing that for one of our mortgage client. In back office operation, agent can analyze data, create documents, read documents across multiple sources, reconcile anomalies, and trigger workflows. Over time, these agents won't just follow logic, they will learn from the context. And with NeIO, we are creating a range of pre-built agents with easy configuration ability as well as future framework for enterprises to design, deploy, and manage their own agents easily so that the workforce becomes a hybrid of human and digital teammates. Today, NeIO agents are configured through structured config files like a YAML blueprint, connecting micro-agent blocks like search, analyze, write, calling an API, notify, etc., and MCP connectors of your enterprise tools and services. The agent could access enterprise data, run validation, classify, extract key information, and trigger next best action, and even loop in human if needed, all autonomously. This reduces the processing time by 70% and frees workforce from repetitive manual tasks. A great example of an agentic action for a mortgage firm, NeIO agentized their inbound mail processing, classifying the mails, identifying issues and triggering the right workflows and notifying the right people connected in the system of the CRM and BPM tools. So there are three things: control, transparency, and fallback. NeIO ensures that every agentic action is auditable. You can see what has been done, why it has been done, and based on which data it has been done. We also run confidence scoring and response validation. So if a response feels risky or uncertain, the system flags it for human intervention. Operationally, we set strict access control and permissions. It's not just about deploying smart agents, it's about deploying responsible, safe, and accountable agents in a fully governed environment. Our future roadmap for NeIO's agentic capabilities is based on 4 key priorities. First, we are expanding our catalog of MCP-based skill blocks so agents can connect with more enterprise systems and take actions across diverse data and tool chains. Second, we'll introduce industry-specific pre-built agents and LLM fine-tuned LLMs for domains like mortgage, insurance, retails, and IT operations, so clients can get started with minimal configurations. Third, we are developing a self-service agent builder where users can build and test their own agents, especially the organizations, using either a drag-and-drop low-code interface or even natural language-based instructions. And finally, we are enabling multi-agent orchestration using built-in A2A or agent-to-agent frameworks, so multiple agents can coordinate actions just like organization teams do. This is how we see NeIO becoming true agentic for your enterprise work.